Okay, this is called my top pick. I am absolutely in love with this little camcorder. Every year for Host Pick, I pick a camcorder. I'll just start with that. I always pick a camcorder because I love camcorders. I feel like families in America, if you aren't making videos of your loved ones, if you don't have a good camcorder, you really should have one. If you can afford to get one, you should, because there's no other way. We love our still photos. There's nothing like preserving the moment, hearing voices, seeing smiles, hearing the laughter. You can't even put a price on it. So, we talked to our electronics buyers. I told them, I want something amazing. I want a camcorder. I want it to be affordable so everybody can afford to get one. I want it to have all the features. We want a top brand name. So I put them to the challenge, put them to the test, and they came back. I literally almost fell off my chair when they told me that we get to launch today on HSN. This is the latest, it's brand new, world launch. You can't even buy it anywhere else in the world. Brand spanking new. This is 1080p. This is high definition, 1080p. It takes still photos as well. You guys will just flip when you hear all the features here. It has all these advanced features. Image stabilization, it's shock resistant, it's splash resistant. Look at that. You can take it poolside, you can take it to the beach. It's super compact. You can clip it on your pocket, you can clip it on your shirt, you can put it on your purse, you take it everywhere you go. This is the one you will absolutely take on vacation with you, and don't think because it's a small little package that those movies aren't going to look beautiful. Remember, it does not get better than 1080p. That's as good as it gets. It's simple to use, it's simple to operate, and for my Host Pick show only, this is the only time it's scheduled to be offered, we get to offer this for $25. They reduced the shipping and handling, so it's under $5 in shipping. They reduced the flex pay is only $25. So a $25 bill on your credit card with the reduced shipping and handling, we will send this to you in your choice of color. That's the only thing. You have to pick the color here, but I would encourage everybody, run to your phone. It's a one-time only offer from HSN. Again, you can't even buy this anywhere else in the world. Let me show you what the color choices are. They're all so cool. Starting up here, we call this teal. This, friends, is not teal. It is baby blue. So I'm just going to point that out. I know we're calling it teal. It's a beautiful baby blue. Sky blue is the color for teal. Next up, green. This is electric green. This is tennis ball green. Love it. That's green. Next up, we have red, and that is a true red. We have white, optic white, and this one we call blue, and that is a navy blue. So blue, white, red, teal, which is really sky blue, but you order teal if you want this color, and this is green, which is that bright electric yellow-green citrus color. So it's under 100, do one flex pay, run to your phone. We already have hundreds of people calling. We have a very limited amount of these to go around. I'll find out which colors are most limited. But if ever you've wanted to upgrade that old camcorder, if you aren't making movies yet at your house, or if you, again, have an old camcorder that you never use, or a big clunky camcorder that you never take along with you because it's a hassle, camcorders should not be a hassle. They should be easy and fun, and the most important thing is that they should be making beautiful movies and preserving those beautiful memories for you. Lori Leland, our special guest, she has been with Toshiba from the beginning here. A long time you've been with Toshiba.
Long time, about a decade.
I thought
I've been
so.
With them.
That's so fantastic.
Isn't that crazy?
I love this brand. It's a great brand.
Great brand.
You see the name, you know that they make quality electronics. This is so awesome.
It is so awesome.
Unbelievable.
And I love what you said about every family should have something
Yes.
like this. This is perfect for the kids because you're going to get natural expressions because of the clip. You clip this on, and now you're going to be able to videotape hands-free everything that's going on in front of you. And when is the last time you felt comfortable and confident when your kid dropped your camcorder and knowing it was still going to work? Look at this.
That's a good point.
This is rugged.
Don't think because it's compact that it's a wimpy camcorder. And don't think because it's so affordable that it's a wimpy camcorder. It is not.
It is not.
It is rugged. You can take it poolside, take it to the beach. In the winter, take it when you're going skiing. This is going to go in your, take it to the ball game. How many times do you not take a camcorder along because it's a hassle, it's too big, or you worry about dropping it, you worry about getting it wet? Not this little baby, and plus you can clip it anywhere. I mean, that's the beauty. There's a clip, so you can put it on your handbag, right on your purse. You can put it on your pocket. A guy, you can put it right in your shirt pocket. You can be taking video as you walk around.
You can.
Seriously, you can put it on your hat, walk around, take video. coolest darn thing. Honest to God, I love it.
I love it too. 1080p high definition, so the video quality, you said it. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. So for a tiny little package, you're getting unbelievable images, gorgeous video, 5 megapixels still, so you can do everything with this. We were at a pool party, and I was having a blast, but let me tell you, they had the little squirt guns, and I was getting squirted, but I wasn't worried about my Toshiba because it is so rugged. This is really easy to use too. So the great thing about it, Colleen, is you have very few buttons, so nothing to know. Right out of the box, all you do is push the button right in the middle and you're recording, push it again and you stop recording, and that's all there is to it. There's a little guide right here, and again, look how the buttons are just kind of flush with the entire unit itself, so no dirt can get in here, no dust can get in here. This is completely sealed, so it operates perfectly for you. The other neat thing about this is not only that clip, so you can clip this right onto the front of your shirt, right onto your pocket. The great thing about this is you also have a second recording button on the top. So how wonderful to have accessible for you right up at the top. So when you clip it right on to your jacket, your shirt, however, all I do is push the button right here, and now I'm recording 1080p high definition. Touch the button again to stop recording. It's that simple. It's that easy. The whole family is going to love this. It would be great to get a camcorder into the hands of your kids. Image stabilization is built right in, so the video is smooth. It's beautiful. You have a 5 times digital zoom here, so you can get even closer. There's a motion detection feature.
Wow.
I love this. We're including that 4 gig card, which is about a $25 value. On that 4 gig card, you're going to be able to record, my gosh, at least an hour of high definition video with this right out of the box, which is really cool.
Love that.
You put this in motion detection mode, Colleen, and as soon as someone walks in front of the camcorder, it starts recording.
Yeah. One other thing I wanted to share with you real quickly. We're hundreds gone. You do need to decide the color you'd like here. We have only a couple. We don't have thousands in every color. We have a couple hundred in each color. But one thing I wanted to point out, along with the fact that you're getting software included, you get your cable included, you get your battery, you get everything included, you're also getting your memory card. This is a 4 gig memory card.
Right.
We sell these on hsn.com for $25.
True.
So seriously, I mean, Steve could probably find that and show it to you. We sell the 4 gig memory cards for $25. So you're getting the camcorder truly for $75 if you want to get technical about this, because that memory card, I would never have expected them to toss in a $25 memory card with this package because it's so affordable already. So you get the memory card, $25 value there, you get the software, you get everything. As Lori said, you are ready to go. You are ready to make movies when you get this home. The only thing is you have to pick the color you want and make one little old flex payment. It's $25 the tax and shipping. We send it home to you. Everything is included. It's brand new. You're the first ones to see it. The most important thing is that you will love it and you will use it. And I think it was important what Lori was saying, because at this price, a lot of people might think, how good are those movies going to look? I mean, you heard 1080p, it doesn't get better. I don't care if you buy, you know, a $1,000 camcorder. If it's 1080p, it's 1080p is 1080p. This is high definition 1080p. It does not get better than that. So I don't want you guys all thinking that just because it's so affordable that we've taken a bunch of features out of this. It is rugged. It's more rugged than a lot of the more expensive ones. How many of us have ruined cameras by dropping them, or wrecked camcorders by getting them wet? This is splash resistant. This is drop resistant. So don't, again, you know, it's interesting because when you start breaking down the features for that price, and the truth is you've never seen this before. Nobody has. Nobody has ever seen this before. It's the first time it's ever been offered anywhere in the world. We went directly to Toshiba. It's a one-time only offer while supplies last for under $100. Again, software, the $25 memory card included, everything you need. Blue, this we call teal, but it's, think sky blue. And then we have a beautiful red. We have a navy blue that we call blue. We have this fun green. It's like a real fun citrusy lemon lime green. So that's the color we call green. And then we also have, I love the white actually, and the white is great. We also have the white. So whichever you're thinking about getting, this is the one to do it. And again, we were shopping around just on hsn.com for 4 gig cards. And this is the lowest price we offer a 4 gig card for is $24.95. You're getting one of those in this package today. So we're going to take more of your phone calls. We are excited you're calling. I'm thrilled for you. If you have anything special coming up, family reunion, a class reunion, a family vacation, graduations, anything special, and you want to be sure. Still photos are nice, but this is even better because this is going to make those movies, capture those memories. And by the way, it doesn't just make movies. It takes still photos as well. This is also a camera. So you can take still photos, high definition still photos with this, and you can make video with this. It's a double whammy here. This is a 2-in-1 little camcorder. So if ever there's a time to get a new one, today's the day to do it. Lori's going to show you more. She's going to show you great video, but true, right, Lori? You can also do great still pictures.
You can do beautiful stills, 5-megapixel stills. I'm going to show you some printouts that I did in just a little bit. Here's what I love about this. I am powering this giant 73-inch television with this tiny little 2.5-ounce camcorder. And I love what you said, Colleen, about the quality here, 1080p high definition. The thing is, the best camcorder we have is the one that is with us. And if you've got the best camcorder in the world and it's a big clunker, or you're afraid of it getting wet, or if you're afraid of dropping it, or if you're going to the theme park and you don't want to have to go through the bag line and have your bag checked, you're going to have a great experience with this one because it slips in your pocket. It clips onto your body. It's wonderful. Take a look at this. This is video I shot at night with this camcorder. The features are so rich here. We talked about motion detection, so you can literally use this as a nanny cam, which makes it really nice. You also have tons of advanced features like face detection. There's a smile and shoot mode. So you were talking about making those fabulous memories. Well, it's so wonderful because when your little one cracks a smile, in that mode, a still picture is automatically taken. You don't even have to push a button. So you're going to capture some of the most beautiful video and the most beautiful still images you have ever seen with this compact little sleek unit. I think everyone's going to love it. And I think really the hardest part is just figuring out which color to get.
Oh, exactly. That is the hardest part because they're all so adorable. You might want to get more than one, but I will say this. There's a clock up on your screen. You can see hundreds out the door already. I have a couple hundred in each of these beautiful colors. So pick your favorite, whatever that might be. We have red, white, and blue if you're feeling patriotic. We have red, white, and blue. We also have teal, which is the baby blue. And then we also have that fun green, which is that tennis ball yellow green, which we love. But there are the color choices. You guys do one payment. We will deliver this home to you. If there's anything special coming up, if you're going to be a grandma for the first time, if you're going to be a parent for the first time, the #1 reason people buy camcorders is for the birth of a child. And if you don't have that camcorder ready to go, if you're not going to be camera ready when that baby arrives, I will say this, it is so important that you make movies. And babies, as you know, if you've ever had a baby or you've been lucky enough to be a grandparent, you know how fast those babies grow and change. And you want to be able to make videos. And a lot of us don't like to be the guy or the girl schlepping in with the big obtrusive camcorder, in everybody's face. This is so compact. It's very friendly. It's very discreet. So this you could take into the delivery room. I would get mom's permission to do that. But seriously, this is the camera you will take with you and you'll actually use. I will say, grandparents and parents out there, you always hear my story, but my sons are now 29 and 27, which I can't even believe my babies are that old, honestly, because then that makes me really old. First of all,
you are not old.
Honest to goodness. It shocks me that they grew up this fast. They went from boys to men. And I think a lot of you, if you're parents, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You need to be making the movies. And if you're not, that means two things. You don't have a camcorder or you have the wrong camcorder. Because if you're not making those movies, there will be a day, I promise you, you will regret it. Because you never regret preserving the moments and reliving the memories, ever. And as your children get older, you become even more grateful that you took the time and you made the investment. This is a tiny investment. This is $25 for 4 months. It's here, everything you need. The $25 memory card's even included. So we're going to be heading to the phones. Your camera's waiting for you. 500 gone with everybody on the phone. We have maybe a few more than 1,000 to go around here, so we don't have 10,000 of these. Our friends at Toshiba really stepped up for us. They let us launch their brand spanking new, their latest and greatest 1080p high definition, fully featured camcorder here. Has the zoom, it takes still photography, does all these neat things, and it's Colleen proof.
And Lori proof.
And Lori proof. So we don't have to worry about breaking it. Oopsie daisy. Kid proof. I mean, that's the greatest thing, because how many times have we dropped a camera?
Oh my gosh. This is the #1 reason why people actually have to replace their electronics is because they drop them. With this one, you're not worried about it. Take a look at some of the beautiful still images I was able to take with this camera and camcorder. In addition to that motion detection, you also have pre-record. So Colleen, how many times have you missed a moment because you didn't push the button in time? This goes back in time 3 seconds. And here's the zoom for you so you can see. We've got our little friend out here playing in red, and now you've got that gorgeous zoom that gets you even closer. Love the fact that you can take stills with this. Also love the fact that you have specialty filters as well. So you can be really creative if you're putting this into the hands of your little ones. Beautiful images in black and white, classic sepia, also in that incredible, don't you love that negative? It's so different. But what a fun way to shoot videos as well.
You can do all of this.
All of this with this little tiny device.
That's
I know.
crazy.
It's outstanding. And the quality here is better than you've ever seen before in 1080p high definition. This is certainly not something your phone is capable of.
Right.
If you drop your phone, I hate to say it, it's probably broken.
Exactly.
And if it gets wet, you're done.
Exactly. All right. And we have Marie in Pennsylvania calling in. Hi, Marie. It's Colleen and Lori. You're live with HSN today. We heard you just ordered a new camcorder.
Yes, I did.
Yay.
How are you, ladies? This is what a beautiful day it is.
Oh, this is so much fun. Thank you for
Really
sharing
fun.
with us. And what color did you choose, first of all, Marie?
Red.
You did get the red.
Loving the red.
It. And why did you decide you wanted to order this today?
Because on a day like this, I should have had it.
Oh, right, to
and
capture
I have
it.
a new grandniece.
You do.
And it looks like it won't be, she won't be afraid when it's so tiny.
That's
I'm
a
afraid
good
of big
point.
camcorder.
Really good
That's
point.
because cameras can be intimidating.
They can, absolutely.
And I took video for a long while.
Okay.
And then I stopped because it was too bulky
right.
to take out. And I have
Exactly.
lost years of
Right.
memories.
I believe
That's
it,
right.
Marie. I mean, I think a lot of people can relate to that. I am thrilled you called. You will love this. You can capture your beautiful little grandniece. What a blessing that is.
Yes.
And I'm so excited you were able to get it. Lori's showing you all the neat things you can do with it. So it'll do everything those big old camcorders did, except this is the one, like Lori said,
Right.
you'll really take it along with you.
And I can stick it into my purse.
Right.
Exactly.
It's so tiny.
Your tiniest handbag, Marie, your tiniest.
Yes.
All
Next,
right.
all you have to do is make sure that I take it out.
Right, exactly. Don't forget it.
Yeah,
A little memo
clip it on your
going,
pocket,
take it out,
Marie.
take it out,
Just
take
clip
it
it on.
out.
You know what you do? Clip it somewhere. Look at there.
That's
I'm
a
going to clip
great
it on
idea.
my pocket, and then you won't forget. You'll
You
be
have
wearing it. See there?
Excellent. Excellent, ladies. Thank you so very much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Marie.
Marie.
And the
Enjoy it.
presentation, if I may say so, was wonderful.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So sweet. Take care, Marie.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
She cute.
Isn't she cute? I love it. She said, it's a beautiful day. I want to capture that. I think that's reason enough, don't
Exactly.
you? To
But
get
you
a
heard
great
what she
camcorder.
said. She hasn't been making movies for the past couple of years because she was tired of that old camcorder. You know, if the camcorder isn't fun to use or too bulky or doesn't fit in your purse or gets in the way or intimidates people, you end up just not wanting to be the girl that's running around with that big old camera. This is the
Exactly.
greatest thing. Don't hang up. Close to 800 gone. We still have one waiting here for you, so hold the line. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Colleen. Fabulous pick. I'm so excited for all of you getting this home.
I love it. So hold on. If you're on the phone, we will continue to take all of your calls. Coming right up, we have